Welcome to Money Minded, the podcast that simplifies finance for you, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game. We've got practical tips and insights to help you make smarter money moves. I'm Finley, and I'll be guiding you on this journey to financial freedom. Let's dive right in. This is episode 5, Easy Saving, Big Money Magic. We're talking about a skill that'll change your financial game while saving money. Saving can feel tough, but it doesn't have to. It's about creating a safety net for life surprises and your big dreams, all without the stress. Whether it's a sudden bill or that dream vacation you've been eyeing, you can save smart and live better. Let's break it down with some simple steps to make saving a habit you'll love. Start small. Next, build. First, don't stress about big numbers. Start with what you can. Even $5 a week adds up fast. That's $260 by the end of the year. It's not about saving huge amounts right away. It's about being consistent. Pick a small amount you won't even miss, maybe $10 a paycheck, and make it your starting point. Those little savings grow into something big over time. Make it automatic. Next setup now. Let's make saving a breeze. Set up auto transfers to a savings account. It's like paying your future self first. Even $10 a week gets you going. Choose a separate account so you're not tempted to spend it on a whim. It's a set it and forget it trick that works wonders. You'll be amazed at how much you save without even trying. Most banks let you schedule these transfers right from your app. Save for something next. Dream. Think beyond emergencies. Save for what lights you up. Maybe it's a new phone or a weekend getaway. Having a goal makes saving feel like a treat. Picture that dream in your mind. It'll keep you motivated. Marie saved $20 a month for a concert ticket. 6 months later, she was dancing with her favorite band, feeling on top of the world. That's the magic of saving for something you love. Protect yourself. Next, prepare. An emergency fund is your financial shield. Aim for $1,000 to start. It can turn a car repair into a small hiccup, not a crisis. Begin with $50, then add a bit each month. Think of it as your backup plan against life's curveballs. It's peace of mind you can't buy. That buffer helps you handle surprises without stress. Keep it going. Next, grow. Once you've got the basics down, let's level up. Increase your weekly savings by a small amount, say an extra $5 when you're ready, or set up a second goal like saving for a big purchase. The key is to make saving a natural part of your life. Well, it'll feel less like work and more like a win. Over time, you'll build a habit that grows your savings. Your turn. Next, start. Now, ready to save the easy way? Pick a small amount you can save each week. Even $5. Set up an auto transfer to a savings account, make it automatic. Choose one goal to save for like a fun trip. And start your emergency fund. Aim for $50 this month. Small steps lead to big money magic. Thanks for tuning in to Money Minded. I hope you learned something new today that'll help you take control of your finances. Be sure to subscribe for more easy to understand financial tips. I'm Finley, and I'll see you in the next episode.